Hi everyone, my name is Karina DeLam, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about my first ever trade on my $100 account. So first things first is, if you have seen this short on my YouTube, it's going to be covering the same concepts. The only difference is I did watch and play this on my iPhone, and I will be doing this next one on my laptop. And just to let you know, I'm going to be using trading terminology. If there's any trading terminology such as support, resistance, candlesticks that you don't understand, please go ahead and watch my other videos. So I'm going to be breaking down all the concepts that have helped me in my trading journey. I don't want to talk about things that didn't help me or aren't useful. And so one of the most important things is it's going to be going faster, so I'll be pausing it. And first things first is we are going to be drawing our support and resistance level. It's the first thing that I look forward to doing every time I get in a trade. And it is 9 a.m. Eastern time. And immediately the stock creates a resistance area right here and a support right here. Now it looks like it wants to test it out. It breaks through. Looks like it retraced and it keeps its gains. So now it's creating, I'm going to pause it really quickly so you guys can see what I'm looking at. I don't know where that line came from. So now it's created a new resistance area, and I'm going to go ahead and delete the old support because now this resistance is now the new support. So now the market opened, which means 9:30 happened, and most traders are trading as of right now, most of the volume. And the real trade that I made was, I was trading another stock at the time, so I didn't see any of this happening, but I'm breaking it down for you guys. And it wasn't until probably in this time that I looked at this resistance area. I'm going to delete this other line. And this support area looks like it's more above right there, around 906, 905 area. And now I'm looking to see if this stock is even worth me trading. Okay, so I already saw that it created this line down here that it keeps touching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times with wicks and with bodies. So now I'm looking to enter this trade because now this is the area that I would be interested in getting into. It wasn't until I saw this candle that I said this could be a potentially good buy. Still haven't entered it, and I still need confirmation. So let's look at the trade that I truly did make. And it looks like I got in at 8.67 at 10.08. This is EFOI, by the way. The stock is called Energy Focus. So right around here was when I felt the confirmation was happening. So I still didn't feel comfortable. And then I see it keeps playing around this area. So then I went ahead and got in right there on that candle. Okay, let's pause that. So I got in at this candle right here, and I got in at 8.67, which it's right around there. Right there. I'm gonna go ahead and change the color so we can look at it correctly. So this is where I got in the purple, and I'm trying to get out right here. And it wasn't until, I'm going to actually go back. Let's see if it lets me go back. Okay. So I got in on this candle, and then I got out on that candle. Now, my goal was to get out at 906, 905. I got out at 930, so I did get more than I anticipated on getting, but this went ahead and this was my whole trade. For the day after that, I no longer traded. And I'm going to go ahead and let it play in the background because I want to talk to you about my final commentaries after I made this trade that will help me on my trading moving forward. And one of those things is I did create a plan, which was to get out right here. I didn't want to get anything further. I just wanted it to get right here. And it did, and I was able to get a little bit more. So I'm going to let this stock trade play out after my trade because I want you guys to see what happens, but I'm not involved in this stock anymore. Now, because I created a plan, I did follow it, but because this trade was profitable, it turned my account from $100 to $103. And one thing I want to let you guys know is just because it's a profitable trade does not mean it is a good trade. And what do I mean by that? I mean that I need to continuously master these skills, and that's something that I'm looking forward to understanding a lot more. Another thing is I did not see that there was a catalyst. This is really important because this gives it news and a reason for traders to be putting it on their scanner and for them to either, if you're buying or selling, for them to give it more attention. And so these are all things that I want to take a look at. Now, moving forward, in the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys the next trades that I did make on my small account and where it's located. So if you guys want to see more of my basic trading terminology videos, I'm going to be posting the ones that have helped me through my process, and I'll be posting more of my journey. So follow for more on my journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.